as soon as I touch down in the city, of course, my mama hits me with a to-do list and throws me the keys to her truck. So, come with me while we make the first stop. I'll tell y'all what's my favorite perk of riding in her car. This dang on handicap sticker. No need to look for parking. Zip. I'm pulling in the first one. Y'all ain't gonna believe this crap. Tell me how come I get all the way to stop 1 and I don't have my ID. So I gotta go all the way back to the house and grab my ID and start this whole thing over again. I'm gonna need a sweet treat. Well, my mom's medication is not ready at the moment. So we're going to walk the store and peruse a little bit until it is ready. The way I just read this little summary and the way it made me want to buy the book, it may be coming home. Y'all, I was so in a rush to get out of that freaking store. I was getting overstimulated, but finally got the medication. Now we're headed to the next stop. And the next stop is getting me a sweet treat because I deserve it. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. This is my fruit cup. I'll open it up and show y'all when I get to the crib. This is my Letos Esquites, my bad. Did I really stop at home if I didn't stop at Panchitos?
Like they putting under the tires.
Yeah, but they put this battery. That's just. They put it on a napkin, put it on there so when you touch it, it's like fentanyl.
Where are they putting it?
In your door handle.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-64 West. Then keep left.
You know, Pedro work in the hospital now.
What's your name for? Oh, it's a nursing home.
What's the nursing home?
Oh, I told everybody she work at the hospital. Oh, she working dietary?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's why I'm proud of that.
Figured she had a job. Yeah. I text them. Well, they've been texting me in the morning. Good morning. I text them both this morning.
Did you take that?
No, they tried to get me to take it for neuropathy, but I wouldn't.
This is just a one-time dose.
Oh, I'm just under her.
She initially got
so.
it, but I think it needs a little bit more tape.
Funny.
This might feel a little cold through your IV. I'm just.
And
Get this drawer right behind.
The half a bit off sandwich. Yeah, here you go.
that be lunch. You know I don't eat all
Well,
of my
I'm giving you the rest of my lunch. That place you be going to eat.
Which
The
one?
hamburger place.
Jacket?
Yeah, you bring me on half a sandwich.
Half a mushroom swiss?
And then the other one had bites in it.
Any problem with anesthesia in the past?
All that good stuff.
No, you'll be alright.
You ready? Take a bite out of here.
We'll take a camera back there.
Thank you. Where we go, Daddy?
Going back out where we was. We'll be alright. I got this. Show jacket.
It don't got no prints on it. It just like a real nice brown leather bag. It looks like you could fit a big giant computer in it.
I'm just gonna sneak in here real quick and I'm gonna change this so it doesn't take her blood pressure every 15 minutes. Okay.
So high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so.
Ah, that's what that noise was. Look at you, alert. Woo. Feels good to be back home. If it's one thing this week has taught me, it's that life is precious. You really do have to live every day like it's your last, because you never know. But now that I'm back home, it's time to get back into the routine. So now, I'm just doing a little skincare reset. Planning for the rest of the week. And we're going to get back on schedule. And back to the goal at hand. I've been working on a couple of projects. And who knows? One of those ideas just may pop. I'm thinking fix some dinner, Netflix and chill.
I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high, you get me so.
And don't forget to tune in next week. Life with Jamstir continues. Gotta do my skincare. See you next week. Same time. Same channel. Bye, buds.
Beating up the heartbeat, banging in the chest when you